Hey, what's up everybody? Chris Jacobs here at the Gateway Bronco booth at Barrett-Jackson. As far as custom Broncos go, these guys are at the top of the game.
We're about to unveil our latest creation, a Bronco with Mr. Jay Leno. This is all to support veterans, and it's called the Special Operators Transition Foundation. The new model we're testing here in Australia is our Lux GT. This is our halo product, the pinnacle of 4 years of effort, creating a Bronco that we believe will be the best vintage Bronco ever remastered.
So if I'm going to give a message to the guys at the shop who built the vehicle, pick a date. I'm going to come there. We're going to have some pizzas and some beer because you knocked it out of the park, guys. Thank you very much.